Hi, my name is Mark. This is my beautiful fiancee, Pamela. We're building a Greenville.
The best part about the process of building a home with Shaw has been how professional everyone is and how helpful they are in navigating all of the process.
I've been very impressed with Jesse, Shelley, Mark. The whole process has been very scientific, very professional, helped us right along the way that we didn't leave anything out that was important.
What sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders, in my opinion, is that you get to build a custom home without the custom price.
Right. So Shaw is a very professional builder. They've built thousands of homes over the years, and I would just say trust the process. They have it down to a science. They're very detailed throughout the process, from the guy that sells you the home, guy or gal that sells you the home, to the designer, to the actual builder. They've done it. They know what they're doing. Trust the process.